Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best dirt bike tube is probably one of the most overlooked yet critical components for any serious off-road rider, directly impacting your bike's performance, handling, and most importantly, your safety on rugged trails, ensuring you maintain optimal tire pressure and puncture resistance when tackling challenging terrain and pushing your limits. Number 5. MaxAuto Dirt Bike Tires 7100-19 and 9100-16. Introducing the MaxAuto Dirt Bike Tires, engineered for superior performance. This set is designed to elevate your off-road riding experience. The front tire, sized 7100-19, features a robust 4 PRB load range and a 42 m speed rating. It boasts a deep 12 mm tread for excellent grip. Complementing it, the rear tire is 9100-16, also with a 4 PRB load range and a 51 m speed rating. This one offers an even deeper 13.5 mm tread for enhanced traction. Your purchase includes a complete set, one front 7100-19 tire and one rear 9100-16 tire. You get both essential components for your dirt bike. These tires are ideal for motocross, general off-road adventures, and intermediate terrain. They are suitable replacements for all dirt pit bikes. Experience unmatched stability, predictability, and traction. Its new tread pattern, compound, and tire composition meet the high demands of top-tier motocross. What we like. This product offers a complete front and rear tire solution for your dirt bike. Its new tread pattern and compound are engineered for superior stability and traction. If you're looking for a full tire upgrade that excels on intermediate off-road terrain, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive and detailed product reviews found in the provided source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. Michelin Heavy Duty MX Enduro Tubes. Experience the next level of resilience for your off-road adventures. These tubes are engineered to withstand the toughest conditions you can throw at them. Specifically designed for motocross and enduro riding, they provide the robust performance you need. Conquer challenging terrains with confidence and peace of mind. Crafted with heavy-duty materials, they offer superior puncture resistance. This ensures a longer lifespan and fewer interruptions on your ride. Count on consistent and reliable performance, mile after mile. They maintain optimal air pressure, giving you a smooth and controlled ride. Designed to perfectly fit your 7100-19 tires, installation is straightforward. Ensure a snug and secure fit for maximum safety and efficiency. From a brand synonymous with quality and innovation, you can trust their expertise. They bring decades of tire technology to your inner tubes. What we like. Next up, we have a heavy-duty inner tube from a renowned brand. Designed specifically for MX and Enduro, it promises enhanced durability and reliability. If you frequently tackle aggressive trails or demand top-tier performance from your components, this tube is built to withstand the challenge. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 3. Motocross Off-Road Dirt Pit Bike Tire and Tube Set. This full set includes both the motocross tire and inner tube. It offers complete sizing and applications, perfect for all dirt pit bikes from 50 cubic centimeters up to 450 cubic centimeters. Its knobby, open tread design ensures excellent self-cleaning. This allows it to perform exceptionally well, even in the muddiest conditions. Experience excellent grip and easy handling on every ride. This provides you with great overall riding performance and control. With improved bead and sidewall construction, it offers positive cornering. This design helps you maintain stability and confidence through turns. The package comes complete with a 7100-19 front tire and tube, along with a 9100-16 rear tire and tube. Everything you need for a full replacement. What we like. This option provides a full tire and inner tube set, ready for immediate installation. Its knobby open tread is designed to clean out exceptionally well in muddy conditions, offering excellent grip. If you ride in varied conditions, especially mud, and want a complete, high-performing package, this set is ideal. What people say. Number 2. AlveyTech 7100-19 inner tube for dirt bikes. Crafted from high-quality black rubber, this inner tube is built to last. It ensures long-lasting durability, keeping your dirt bike ready for any challenge. Featuring an efficient straight valve stem, it allows for easy access and inflation. Even in tight spaces, maintaining proper tire pressure is simple. This tube fits various sizes like 3.00 to 19, March 25, 19, and 7100 to 19. It's commonly used in 125 cubic centimeters to 250 cubic centimeters dirt bikes, including popular models like Baja and Coolster. Experience a smoother, more controlled ride with this high-quality inner tube. It significantly enhances your dirt bike's performance, whether for daily commutes or adventurous trails. Designed for user convenience, its installation and replacement process is hassle-free. Riders can easily maintain their off-road vehicles with minimal effort. What we like. Here we have a durable inner tube crafted from high-quality black rubber. It features an efficient straight valve stem for easy inflation and boasts versatile compatibility with many popular dirt bike models. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install replacement tube that fits a wide range of bikes, this one is a strong contender. What people say. Number 1. Pit Pro Trail Dirt Bike 19-inch front wheel assembly. Enhance your Pit Pro Trail Dirt Bike with this complete front wheel assembly. It's designed to give you a smooth and reliable performance on any trail. This 19-inch front wheel assembly is specifically made for your dirt bike. It ensures a precise fit for optimal handling and control. Designed to perfectly accommodate a 15mm axle, this assembly offers seamless integration. You can trust it for a secure and stable connection. It comes fully equipped with a 1.6 by 19 rim, a durable 7100 to 19 knobby tire, and an inner tube. Plus, a wheel bearing is included for your convenience. Your package includes one tire, one rim, and one inner tube. All essential components are provided for a straightforward installation. Please remember that tire sizes can vary. Always check your current tire and wheel dimensions before ordering to ensure compatibility. What we like. Finally, this product offers a complete front wheel assembly, including the rim, tire, inner tube, and bearing. It comes pre-assembled, saving you significant installation time and effort. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one replacement for your front wheel, this assembly provides ultimate convenience. What people say. No review content was provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract positive product points as the source JSON was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.